Transporting large amounts of material on and off site can be an expensive exercise. Sometimes adjusting elevational data and structural location can reduce this material movement and save you and your clients money. MudShark makes adjustment of takeoff entities quick and easy. Simply select what you want to move, either single or multiple items. Move them. Here we're moving in the 3D view. Adjust the altitude, either by absolute value or relative amounts. And recalculate the site to create an alternative cut and fill. In this way you can explore alternative proposed sites which can be cheaper, quicker and easier to deliver to the client.